Let's talk about retinoids. Retinol, retinal, tretinoin, and the journey back and forth that you will likely be making across all of these products if you are anything like me and sometimes, just sometimes, you screw up your skin barrier while you're trying out new products or maybe exfoliate too hard. So as you guys know, I've been working on my skin barrier for a couple weeks, but before it got messed up, I was using tretinoin 0.025 on a daily basis. You can see this tube is almost out. And I was to the point where I was even adding in tretinoin 0.05% once a week, every 4, 5, 6 days or so, depending on how my skin was feeling. But because I had to take a break to heal my skin barrier, rather than diving straight back into this, because these are strong products and risking injuring my skin barrier again, so I went down to Remedy for Dark Spots. It has a 0.1% retinol, and because my skin is retinized to some degree already by using that tretinoin, I really did not have to worry very much about this disrupting my skin barrier. So I started using this every other day for the first week, and then every day after that for a week. And once I was tolerating this well, then I leveled up. And what that meant was going up to Naturium's retinal 0.05%. This is also an encapsulated retinal, and I started adding this in every other day. So one day of Remedy, one day of this. And once I was confident that I was not having any irritation with this, I dropped the Remedy. I went to this and started alternating it with the Peach and Lily 0.1% retinal, also encapsulated and has ectoin with it. So currently I'm using this. I will then be dropping off the 0.05% retinal altogether, use just this for a week or two, and then I will add in the tret like once or twice a week and see how I do with that. If I have any barrier issues with just using this every week, then I will scale down again. That is what we mean by listening to your skin, paying attention to what you need. Now, do you need these many products? No, you don't. If you've been retinizing your skin correctly, then you probably have a retinol or a retinal lying around. You can use that. And if I didn't want to get all these products and just have them lying around, then I would continue using these till these finished. Like this is almost done. Also remember, for anti-aging purposes, you really are looking at cumulative benefit. So don't feel like you have to level up to something stronger that may irritate your skin barrier. You can stay at a 0.05 retinal or a 0.1 retinal and just be okay. You could even stick with, the encapsulated retinol at the 0.1% and be just fine there as well. Hope this helped to clarify. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and don't be afraid to level down or judiciously level up and listen to your skin through your retinoid journey.